Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a layer position in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and this left sidebar, here you will find this left arrow, click here. Now click on this layer icon and select here import option and select import as layer and select browse option and open your layer you want to inside this layer, open and give this layer name and this is layer position. You can change, first I will change this layer size. You can increase decrease this layer size and this layer vertical position, this horizontal position you can make it top, see this, and this bottom and this center, and this horizontal position you can make it left and this right and center. Also you can change custom layer position and see this, and this vertical, see this, and also you can insert this layer SSB page range. You can insert this page number 2, 3 and custom page range. I'll insert it first page. Now finally select OK and see this, our layer position now says, yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.